accident injury attorneys offer. So, first of all, an auto accident injury attorney would be an attorney who sort of specializes with that as part of being their practice, and furthermore, that they have the ability to be a trial lawyer in that context if it comes to that. So that's what we mean when we talk about an auto accident injury attorney is number one that's specialized in that, and number two, one that has the ability to go to trial. So if you or a loved one has been injured in an auto accident that was not their fault, then consider contacting an experienced auto accident injury attorney in order to protect your rights. The information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended as legal advice. If you need legal advice or assistance, then please contact an attorney of your choice as soon as possible. So, when you engage an attorney after you or a loved one is injured in an auto accident, you want to consider finding a lawyer whose law practice is specialized in helping injured auto accident victims recover for their damages. One thing that having an attorney on your side can do is help to equalize the situation, since you'll be dealing with big insurance companies. And if an individual person who is not an attorney who has recently been injured in an auto accident attempts to engage a large company like that, then it can be a very unequal situation, and they can even sort of give you the runaround by directing you from one person to the other. For example, anything can happen in that regard. One of the most critical services that an auto accident injury attorney can provide you is to guide you through unfamiliar processes. Most people have never been injured in an automobile accident before, so they don't know what to do. Many times, the first step is helping them to obtain correct medical treatment. This means helping them to find the correct doctor and obtaining all of the x-rays, MRIs, or other diagnostic tests required, and then obtaining the correct treatment and the subsequent physical therapy, occupational therapy, etc. The next thing that an auto accident injury lawyer can do is help you with the insurance claims process, beginning with your filing of the claim and then later following up with the adjuster. In this manner, the lawyer can do all of the talking and paperwork for you so that you don't have to do it, and also to make sure that it gets done perfectly so that your claim can be as successful as possible. And then if your lawyer is not able to help you to come to a settlement, and he or she feel that you or he or she feels is adequate, then an auto accident attorney can help you with litigation, beginning with filing a lawsuit and then ending with the trial if necessary. The auto accident attorney handles the trial for you, doing everything that you need to help you recover. Having a lawyer can also help you from a financial perspective in several ways. First of all, the attorney can often provide funds so that you can obtain proper medical treatment. Also, they can help you fund the filing and the preparation of the suit and incur those costs associated with the filing of the suit, or if you need expert witnesses, etc. You will want to discuss with your attorney whether these costs will be divided between you and the attorney, or whether you're going to be paid by the attorney or whether they'll be paid by you at the time of settlement or trial verdict when they're repaid at the conclusion of the case. In short, an auto accident attorney can serve as your advocate before the judge and jury if necessary. The situation is that if the insurance company won't provide you with a reasonable offer for a fair settlement, then you may end up in trial. So going to trial doesn't happen all the time. Most cases do settle prior to the trial, but when they don't, it's important that you have engaged a smart, competent trial attorney with a reputation that precedes them. This is not only because these trial skills may be necessary, but also because your adversaries will understand who your attorney is from the beginning of the negotiations. That means having an attorney to tell your side of the facts all the way through the trial if necessary.